In this video, I'm going to give a quick S&P futures update for tomorrow, January 11th, 2023, what I think the market's going to do, where it's going to go. And then I'm also going to show you, we're going to go through a couple of stock scans and see if there's any trade ideas if you do trade the stock market. I've seen a couple, so I'm going to go over it and let's get this video going. So first things first, like, subscribe, thank you. And let's look at the S&P Emini futures. So this past weekend, I said, hey, watch for the break to the upside, right? I was leaning more bullish because we had a inverse head and shoulders here. Well, guess what? We're breaking out. We are now also breaking out of this, okay? Now, we could see we had a nice rally, kind of big move up on Monday. And then on Tuesday, kind of pulled back, and then I'm filming this Tuesday afternoon. Right here, we're just kind of starting to go higher. So if we kind of zoom in, right? Think about it, right? We were bullish. Then yesterday we went bearish. And then today, as of right now, essentially, we are going back to being bullish in the market. So we do have CPI coming out in a couple bank stocks. So we will see what's going on. But let's look at our next chart. We do have, I'm going to give you guys some levels right now. First level is definitely going to be this high right here, okay, because we had the gap. So I would say probably 38, was it 86, 87, somewhere around there. Our next level is going to be 39.97, we'll call it, which is the point of control. And then if we do get up here, see this little anomaly right here? Watch this 408 level. Okay, so those are the three levels I'm watching for the next couple days. Again, news could really pop the market overnight, things like that. But this is probably my main level for a very first test of it, is the high of after the gap, which is at 39.86. So as far as 15-minute chart, we're still just trading within this big range, but we are making higher highs, higher lows, things like that. So we have a triple bottom here, but a low, high, higher low. Looks like we want higher highs kind of come up here and take that out. So that's what I'm looking for, the ES. If we do pull back, I would definitely say probably watch the slow right around 3,900, 38.97 to the downside if price does reverse. So just something to be aware of. Okay, so now let's take a look and scan for some stocks, right? Trade ideas for the next couple days. Remember, this scanner that I'm going to be showing you guys is included with the members for all my members. So if you're a member, you get the scan for free. Just go into the video course. There's a new video course with links for these scanners. But essentially, they're 5-day in 7-day waterfall and reverse waterfall scans, right? So it does all the hard work and scans for stocks. So we're going to go through some right now, and I'm going to show you how well these things really scan and what the criteria is of what I'm looking for, okay? So the first thing is I'm just going through them. Right now, one of the things I want to look for is maybe a possible divergence over here, okay? The second thing that I'm looking for is oversold. And then also, are we going into a resistance level? Because these are the reverse waterfalls. Something like this, right? Where could price potentially pause? Maybe right here, right? This swing high. So right here on AMAT, we're currently at 108. Okay, if we get to about 112 area, maybe I'm looking for a pause and a reversal, right? Because right now, we are strong, the market's strong, so we're going to see a lot of these reverse waterfalls, but it doesn't mean that we necessarily have to wait for them to break. But remember, you'll want to create your own little watch list. So, and again, it's $99 one-time payment for the video course, but you also get these scans. So it's for all my members. So Activision, let's go through. Here's a perfect one. This one triggered today, right? So now it's a Boeing, but we could see what they do. And if you had this on your scan yesterday, right? If we were looking at, we'd say, hey, red candle, oversold. Maybe we put order in to go short right below this low on any type of break, right? And then just look for a move lower. So that one's already gone. CAG broke. Again, if you like this, if you want to take a shot, you would go short, and then stop would go right above this high. So as we go, CCI, I kind of like CCI, probably at this level right here, because this would be a gap fill, right? This 150.37 level. And remember, none of these are trade advice. It's just we're doing a scan. I'm some dude on YouTube, so we're just looking for ideas. But CCI looks clean. So with CCL, if we rally up to this double top, right, we actually have a level here around 1025, another gap level here. So these are kind of levels I'd be watching for on something like CCL. Let's go through a couple more. Nice, clean. What we're looking for, we're getting overbought. Again, these are things you'll have to track on your own, right? Create your own watch list. So whichever ones you like, maybe have a second watch list, put them on, and then maybe even set alerts for them. Again, this video, we're just trying to find some trade ideas of something really clean. Right here, Charter, CHTR, right? A gap fill up around this level. Nice. Look at this reverse waterfall, right? Okay, nice long waterfall. We had nice clean waterfall, right? If you took this waterfall here, look at this reverse waterfall. Just the move, this is what your risk would be, and this is your potential reward, right? Right here, CMCSA, right? Comcast, look at this. This is why I like to look for reverse waterfalls going directly up into a like a moving average and then a prior high. Those are things I like, because you could put an order in somewhere right here and look at this. You could make money right there. So let's go through a couple more. Delta Airlines getting oversold. Dish reversed, but really nothing there. DRI's getting oversold. We're not there yet. I like eBay right up around this 46.20 level, right? To kind of get 200 and the high. Again, hopefully this video helps you guys to see how to scan for them on your own too. Remember, you guys got to be a member. So if you want the scanners, you'll need to sign up to be a member. Again, $99. The link's down below. One-time payment. That's it. There's no monthly fees, anything or reoccurring. It's a one-time payment. Or go to my website, daytradingfearless.com. Here's a really clean one. The other thing I look for is oversold with a potential reversal candle. Well, look at this. I would have had a alert, right, to go short below this low, but guess what? We never made it below the low. So let's see what else there is. GM, Hasbro, let's kind of burn through these, see if there's anything. I kind of like watch IP, right? Look at this, the low of the gap. Probably within a couple days will match up, right? That might be a good short potential. Kraft, so Heinz Kraft, right? Or Kraft Heinz broke the reverse waterfall today. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It broke, right? You could get a better price tomorrow, right? And your stop would be right above these highs. And it looks like potential divergence right here too, right? Because this made the high, but this actually made a new high, but look where the RSI is. So things like that. Hopefully, again, this helps. A nice reversal here. Again, sometimes they take time. You just kind of say, hey, let me enter, break there. Sometimes you'll see them a day late, like right now, go, hey, let me enter here. You get better fill and put a stop right above. Okay, that's MasterCard. But hopefully price continues lower, right? And you know where your stop is right above that high. So let's go through a couple more. We're coming up into on MGM prior high, that 39.20. Maybe that becomes a resistance for a quick little bounce to the downside. This one triggered, nice reversal candle, but we're in the middle. Lots of chop. Those are not what I look for. And then NRG. Yep, that's it. Like here, look at this, right? Here's a really clean one. Get better fill here, stop here, and hopefully you could get a move back down to 90 on something like this. So hopefully this video helps, guys. As always, thank you for watching. And there's some stock market trade ideas for you guys. And till next time, we'll talk to you soon.